How to use Google AI Studio for beginners. Google AI Studio is a versatile platform for building, testing, and interacting with Google's AI models. Whether you are just getting started or trying to understand what all the buttons do, this guide will walk you through the core tools, settings, and features step by step. When you open Google AI Studio, you'll see four main sections: Chat, Stream, Video Gen, and Starter Apps. Each serves a different purpose. The chat area is where most users spend their time, prompting the model, generating content, answering questions, or solving problems. Stream lets the AI follow your screen in real time. Video Gen creates animated clips from text or images. And starter apps are mini apps or templates to get quick, interactive results. The first step in using the chat feature is selecting your model. Google offers multiple models with different strengths. When you hover over a model, you'll see a short description that helps you decide. For example, Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview is ideal for deep reasoning, long-form answers, and technical tasks. A great prompt to test its strength might be summarize the core differences between classical and quantum computing in under 500 words. The tool also shows a knowledge cutoff, so you know how current the data is, and its display rate limits. The free plan gives you 5 prompts per minute and 25 per day. If you're experimenting frequently or working on bigger projects, you may want to upgrade. Besides Gemini 2.5, there are lighter Gemma models, designed for developers testing embedded or mobile use cases. These models are leaner, faster, and meant to simulate on-device AI. A useful test prompt here could be: run a basic logic test using Python and return true if both conditions A and B are met. Then there are Learn 2.0 models built for interactive education. These shine when explaining concepts or walking users through learning objectives. You could prompt it with, teach me the basics of linear regression as if I am in high school. Before jumping into a chat, open Advanced Settings. This is where you can fine-tune your session. For example, you can reduce output length for faster answers or extend it for AC-style responses. Also in Advanced Settings, don't miss grounding with Google Search. When activated, the AI uses current search results to answer your queries. If your response seems off or unclear, just click the Gemini button to rerun it with the same prompt. Sometimes, small changes improve output dramatically. For deeper insight, turn on Thoughts mode. This feature shows the model's logic step by step. Try it with something like 17 multiplied by the sum of 3 and 5. You'll see it break down each arithmetic step. If you prefer structured results, you can enable structured output. This is perfect for formatting lists or organizing data. You can prompt, give me a checklist for launching an online store. Enable code execution to test simple functions. Try write a function to calculate compound interest, use principal 1000, rate 5%, and time 3 years. For more advanced users, function calling lets you connect the AI to external APIs or tools. A sample use case might be connect to OpenWeatherMap API and retrieve the 5-day forecast for Berlin. The Compare Mode feature is excellent for evaluating how models handle the same task. Pick any 2 or more models, give them a short prompt, and compare the results. Try something like, write an email convincing a VC to invest in my AI health tracking startup, or explain the philosophy behind Stoicism in under 150 words. To shape how the model behaves, use system instructions. These let you set the tone, attitude, or expertise of your AI assistant. For example, set the instruction as, you are a witty science tutor who uses analogies to explain tough topics. Then prompt, explain black holes. System prompts help keep responses consistent throughout a session without repeating the persona each time. Enable Thinking Mode if you want the model to process complex prompts more thoroughly. Adjust the thinking budget based on how detailed you want the response. Use a higher budget for something like analyze the implications of AI in education over the next decade. Use a lower budget for something simple like list free uses of AI in daily life. This is especially useful when you are juggling time-sensitive tasks versus deep research. Inside Safety Settings, you can customize how filtered your session is. By default, the platform filters harmful or sensitive content. Developers might want to test edge cases by loosening these controls. For example, test content boundaries with explain the psychology behind controversial marketing tactics. It's a tool for understanding where limits are applied and where your content or app might hit friction in deployment. If you are ever stuck on what to try, visit the prompt gallery. It includes ready-made prompts for writing, productivity, marketing, education, and more. Example prompts include summarize a 20-page research paper in 5 bullet points. Write a YouTube script about climate change in the style of a late-night show. It's a great place to get unstuck or discover new use cases. One of Google AI Studio's most powerful features is long context input. You can upload full PDF, videos, audio files, or images and ask the model to analyze them. Upload a transcript and try summarize this 40-minute interview and extract 3 key insights. Drop in an image and ask what's happening in this photo. Paste a YouTube video URL and prompt at what point does the presenter mention climate policy and what do they say about it. Visual analysis works directly in AI Studio, while Gemini's YouTube feature focuses more on text transcripts. Using Video Gen, you can create short videos from prompts or images. For example, create a 10-second animation of a sea turtle swimming through coral reefs. Add an image like a space station and ask the model to animate it. Just remember, video generation uses more credits than most features, so use it strategically. In Starter apps, you will find quick tools and mini projects. Try the flashcard generator and input important machine learning terms and get ready to study flashcards. You can also browse templates for productivity tools, educational games, or data manipulation apps. It's perfect for building something functional without coding from scratch. Every session you run is saved under History. You can reopen past chats, revisit previous answers, and duplicate conversations for iteration. This is invaluable for long-term work or comparing answers across sessions. So that's a wrap for this video. Google AI Studio is more than just a chatbot. It's a multi-tool AI workspace. From structured output to video creation, file analysis, model comparison, and live screen support, it gives you the power to prototype, learn, test, and build all in one interface. With the right model and a good prompt, there is almost no limit to what you can create. Now that you know how to navigate it all, the next step is simple: start exploring.